Today's an exciting day. I am going to be lead generating in person. Yes, I am going to a couple of open houses. One of the sellers I have spoken to, and I actually saw the property. Unfortunately, they were not able to join me at the property when they allowed me access. So I'm going back to see if we can have a conversation. And then the second seller I have not spoken to at all, and I have not been to the property at all either. So it's going to be interesting. When I was an ISA, I would always encourage my agents, just if you have some time, go pop by this open house. So I'm making myself take my own advice, get out of my comfort zone, and go do it to see if I can pick up a couple of listings this way and help these sellers sell their homes. Let's see what happens. Just left the first open house. I'm very glad that I went. The seller was absolutely lovely, but I don't think that's going to convert because they have their eye on a flat fee listing service. I did my objection handling, told the seller about the value that we bring and all of that. They're just determined to avoid a commission, but I do feel as though I made a favorable impression. They have some agents they have used that they might go back to, but I don't know. It was very hard to kind of establish a connection, although they were lovely. I'm definitely glad I went, and I'm on my way to the second open house right now. And this seller I've had absolutely no interaction with, and I haven't seen the property, so let's see how this one goes. And the second open house was a strikeout. Got here about 3 hours after it started. It had like another hour to go, and unfortunately there was nobody here. So I couldn't even see anybody, and that's how that went. I think I'm just gonna go back home and get on the phones because that's what I feel like doing right now.
I'm home and I'm tired, but all in all, it was a good day. The first for sale by owner seller reached out to me when I got home and thanked me for my time and my interest. Was very pleasant, so that was nice to hear. The second for sale by owner seller that I did not connect with because the open house had ended before I got there, I decided to call. And he picked up the phone and he said that he didn't have a lot of people in attendance and he had things to do, so that's why he cut it short. Those are two good reasons for me to get in there and hopefully get a listing appointment with him. He did say that he wanted to speak with me, so I'm going to be following up with him tomorrow. If you have had a positive experience of crashing an open house and converting that meeting into a listing, definitely drop me a comment down below. I definitely want to hear what your experience was like. I enjoyed it today. My comfort zone is the phone. That's what I've been doing for years, and that's what I'm very comfortable with. Pitching in person is not. Every time I have a chance to get out there, shake hands, and meet with sellers is a chance for me to grow. And when you're in unfamiliar territory, that's when you grow. That's what I hear everybody saying, and that's what I need to apply to myself. We'll keep going to open houses and doing whatever I have to do to lead generate outside of my comfort zone as well as on the phone. Thanks for being here, guys. I hope to see you on the next video.